The month Kartik Maas around post Diwali, end of an entire year and the beginning of a new year lies ahead in this auspicious month of Kartik Maas. Every year, Ahmedabad, first heritage city of India, holds a massive show of puja. The puja performed in the last Monday of Kartik Maas, which is most auspicious of Lord Shiva worship. The ritual is known as Sahasralinga Archana, which translates to the worship of 1116 Shivalinga. The ritual of the puja is symbolic to our faith and values that define our very existence, yagna and havan. As we know, it is an integral part of any puja. It has been a secret tool to eliminate negative energy and invite positive vibration that brings peace and happiness into our lives. From last 3 decades, one man in this small part of the world has committed to bring these birth benefits of yagna and divine connections into the lives of those around him. This year 2019, end of a decade and a beginning of another thought, Dr. Ravi Rao and his eminent learned Vedic scholars team of priests summons the season of prosperity into the lives of many known ones and strangers. The process starts with inviting all the planets by worshipping them. The sun, a sole source of power, a moon that brings mindfulness and peace into our lives, Mars, which directly affects business and industries, Mercury of intelligence and finance, Venus of luxury, comfort and happily married life, Jupiter, the biggest of all the planets behind overall happiness and prosperity, Saturn of a spirituality, Rahu of research and Ketu of Vairagya. The invitation to the puja is open to everyone who wants to be a part. Any gender, culture or caste, it's for the believers of Lord Shiva of global peace and harmony.
शाश्वत शिवपद प्राप्त्यर्थं योजाता विधानेन प्रत्येकं
Many people attend the puja every year.
रिवर के मिट्टी है, इससे 1116 लिंग बना के शिवलिंग रूप में बना के वहाँ पे अभिषेक करेंगे.
I am fascinated by the way he performs the entire puja, the way he involves people, the way he connects me to God. The process which he follows is very interesting.
Muy importante que se ha hecho, y tenemos aquí unos 10-12 curas del sur de la India que son los más puros en cuanto a religión y la pureza de sus pensamientos. Evidentemente he venido aquí porque gracias a mi consultor y amigo el Dr. Ravi Rao, con quien llevo trabajando pues más de 10 años, pues lo organizó él y me lo comentó. A nosotros nos gusta hacer este tipo de rezo.
Sahasra, meaning 1116, Linga, meaning Shiva, Archana, meaning worship. The next process in the puja is the worship of these 1116 lingas of Shiva. These lingas are made up of earth, handmade by the holy priests themselves, and every other man who is a part of the puja.
This whole composition is phenomenal.
These lingas are taken for an abhishek where they are decorated with turmeric, kumkum and wheat flour filled with panchamrita and bilipatra.
in the scriptures, there are 5 ways of worshipping Lord Shiva. Is been mentioned very clearly. षोडशा means 16. The 16 walls are managed by 16 different gods. So to please them, we worship them, we offer them prayers, we give them prasad, and then we move on to the next wall and next god. That is the process that we follow. The starting point of this entire thing is we have to worship Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. There are 3, Trimurti. Second wall is Indra, Agni, Yama, Niruti, Varuna, Vayu, Kubera, Isanya. They are Ashtadikpalakas, the directional lords. Indra being the head of all of them. Third prakara. Then Ashtaganapatis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are Ashtaganapatis who look after this 8 direction. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, or 3 all over. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh here, 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 here,
6,
here,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 Trimurtis. 5th prakara. This is Tarakeswara's wall. The prakara basically. This is all Tarakeswara. 260 is Tarakeswara's wall. Yeah. There are Ashtabhairavas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bhairava is again the Amsha of Lord Shiva. Rudramsha of Lord Shiva. We all know, we all hear them. There are 5 Brahmas. Vamadeva Brahma, Aghora Brahma, Tatpurusha Brahma, Isanya Brahma. There are 5 Brahmas. See, Ekadas Rudras. There are 11 Rudras. Ekadas means 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Ekadas Rudras. Rudra is nothing but Shiva himself. 9th one. 9th prakara is Saptarishis. We hear them Saptarishis, right? 12 Suryas. Aditya means sun. 12 Suryas are there, yes. Omkaras, 6 types of Omkaras are there. 6 Omkaras. There are 6, the 11th now, yes. Antaschandi, 12. 13, okay. 13th, 14th Dakshinamurti. 15th is Goddess.
16th is Shiva.
16th is Shiva. So the 16th mein wo milega. So it may look like to you, all of you, it's like sand or a mitti or a river bed. But by invoking some mantras, certain mantras, we implant prana into this Shivalinga. So we bind them by mantra Shakti, we implant them. With that, we start worshipping each and every prakara, and then we reach out to, that is the next one.
These men do the Abhishek with it for hours before the women take over to worship the goddess of all, Parvati. Women sits across in a circle and worship Kumkum, a symbol of the married life in Hindu culture. This puja is for the well-being of their families and their long married lives. It's called Mangalya as well as Saubhagya for a woman, as she is a caretaker for the whole family. The last stage of the puja is the Havan for all god and goddesses. All the remains from previous puja like Bilipatra, Shivlinga are brought together. The priests, known as the holy smart Pandits, who through many years of extensive practice and learnings have mastered the Ajurveda and Upanishads. The Pandits, together with the men and women, to do this yagna, the Havan, to complete the puja. This year, we were very fortunate to have Swamiji of an ashram, H.H. Shri Swami Adhyatmanandaji Maharaj, and his team of highly learned priests across the country joining us.
All Mahatmas are all 4 quadrants of India. Mahabhagya, Mahabhagya, Mahabhagya. Punya Loka, Punya Loka, Punya Loka. Adhikasya Adhikam. very, very happy.
The entire ceremony lasts for about 12 hours, starting early in the morning and fading into the night as if taking the negativity of our lives along with it to bless us with a new bright morning soon.
मेरा दिन बहुत ही अच्छा रहा. अगर ये मैं कहूँ कि सबसे अच्छे दिनों में से एक है.
In this perform puja, he calls everybody who are learned people in Vedas. He invite all the people.
I mean, every year, this is something which we look forward to. So we come here in the morning, we have the entire, we sit till the Havan gets over. And this gives a really very good feel.
People think that these Vedas are moderate. They are as ancient as Vedic system. So nothing has been changed since that time. But unfortunately, modern world doesn't understand, doesn't institutionalize this. Lack of patronage. So I think slowly, the more acceptance, more rational, like you saw the structure of 16 walls to reach Lord Shiva. That is a fantastic, because people really moved, because people don't know that. So everything is comprehensive in this entire system. So I'm so happy that I've been part of this and people respond to this, and Lord Shiva bless everybody, and whatever wishes they have, he is the one to bless it. I wish he gives me more energy to do every year, and I'm glad to do it bigger every year. Thank you so much.